Hi everyone, welcome to Elevate Mindset with another video. Hope you are enjoying. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Most people underestimate what consistency can do for them. They chase results for a week, then complain about failure. The truth is, success rarely rewards the impatient. It waits quietly for those who keep showing up, especially when the excitement fades. In a world full of shortcuts, consistency becomes a superpower. Discipline is what keeps you moving when motivation disappears. Anyone can be motivated on a Monday, but discipline keeps you going on dark Tuesday mornings. It's a voice that whispers, "Not yet. We're not done." When you build discipline, you build unshakable trust with yourself. And that trust is life-changing. Mindset is the steering wheel of your life. If you think small, you live small. If you train your mind to focus on growth, you'll start seeing opportunity where others only see struggle. Your world changes when your thoughts change. It all starts in your head. The biggest reason people quit is not because it's too hard. It's because results don't show up fast enough. Expectations were built on social media highlights, not real effort. They see success, but never the years behind it. Patience becomes the rarest currency. Consistency looks boring. It looks repetitive. It doesn't impress anyone at first, but slowly, quietly, it compounds. Day by day, you build something powerful inside yourself, something most people will never understand. While others chase shortcuts, you're building foundation. This is where your mindset protects your progress. When doubt enters, your mindset reminds you why you started. When fatigue hits, mindset pushes you through. And when you finally break through, people call you lucky, but you'll know it was consistency. True discipline isn't built in front of cameras. It's built in silence, behind closed doors, when nobody claps for you. Discipline is choosing progress over comfort. It's doing the hard thing, even when no one will know the difference. That's where champions are made. Most people wait for motivation to magically appear. They don't realize motivation follows action, not the other way around. Start, and motivation wakes up, stays still, and it sleeps forever. Discipline activates life. If you really want a different life, stop negotiating with your excuses. They are persuasive. They sound logical, but they are thieves, stealing the future version of you that you secretly dream about. Fight them every single day. Your greatest enemy isn't the world. It's a weaker voice inside you. The voice that says sleep in. The voice that says tomorrow. The voice that says good enough. Every day is a fight between the future you want and the comfort you crave. Consistency builds your identity. Every day you show up, you reinforce a new story in your head. You start saying, "I am someone who doesn't quit." Over time, this identity becomes a foundation of your self-worth. You'll start trusting yourself deeply. But if you break promises to yourself, even small ones, you weaken your foundation. You stop believing your own words. That's how dreams quietly die. Don't let that happen. Protect your self-trust like a sacred treasure. Your mindset determines how you interpret life. A bad mindset sees obstacles. A strong one sees training. A fixed mindset fears failure. A growth mindset sees it as feedback. Sometimes the only difference between losing and winning is how you think about the situation. When life pushes you into discomfort, don't panic. That's growth. Muscles grow under weight. Diamonds form under pressure. You're no different. Pressure isn't punishment. It's preparation. Embrace it like a warrior. Everything you consume affects mindset. The music you play, the people you follow, the conversations you entertain. Protect your mental space. Your mind becomes your environment. Talent is overrated. The gym is full of talented quitters. The world is full of gifted procrastinators. Talent looks impressive, but consistency finishes a race. Each small, daily action adds up silently, and suddenly you're unrecognizable. People will doubt you. They'll say your progress is too slow. They won't clap at your first steps. Keep going anyway. When consistency compounds, the results become too loud to ignore. The same people who laugh will eventually ask, "How did you do it?" That's when you'll realize you weren't competing with them. You were only competing with your old self. And you won. Ironically, discipline gives freedom. Freedom from regret. freedom from guilt, freedom from unhealthy habits. While others are trapped by impulses, you're guided by purpose. Freedom without discipline is chaos. Discipline builds structure. Routine becomes your ally, not a prison. You start valuing morning alarms, healthy meals, and written goals. Small decisions shape big destinies. Every time you choose discipline, you choose a brighter future. America admires winners, but few see the hours of unseen sacrifice. You're not behind. You're just early in the process. Keep building. Comparison is poison. It turns progress into insecurity. Everyone's path is different. A tree and a flower bloom at different speeds, but both fulfill their purpose. Your time will come if you stay consistent. Switch your mindset from competition to inspiration. Let other people's success sharpen you, not discourage you. The only person you should compare yourself to is who you were yesterday. Focus on micro-improvements. 1% better every day is unstoppable growth. Compounded effort is the strongest force you'll ever harness. Change is uncomfortable. It requires sacrifice. It demands honesty. Most people would rather repeat misery than risk growth. They blame circumstances, luck, timing, everything except their habits. But you're different. The fact that you're here means you're ready. You felt that quiet gut feeling. I am meant for more. Listen to it. That voice is destiny calling your name. Don't ignore it. The doorway to a better life is narrow. Only those who carry discipline, consistency, and mindset can fit through. You are not chasing goals anymore. You're becoming the person capable of achieving them. This is identity transformation. You don't want average. You don't want comfort. You want purpose, growth, impact. From today on, promise yourself 3 things. Show up every day. Stay disciplined when it's hard. Protect your mindset like your life depends on it, because it does. Your future is waiting on the other side of these habits. Look in the mirror and say it out loud. My consistency will create results. My discipline will keep me unstoppable. And my mindset will determine how far I go. This is how your life changes forever.